How to get someone off your best friend list on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually get someone off your best friends list on Snapchat. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First things first, you simply want to make sure you have actually updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. If you haven't updated it already, you can head over to your device's respective app stores. In the search box, you want to type in Snapchat and then go ahead and simply update the Snapchat app to the latest version. After we've updated Snapchat, I'm going to simply open Snapchat. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now first of all, in order to see our friends list, I'm going to simply tap on the Bitmoji profile on the top left hand side, and then here I'm going to scroll down at bottom. I'm going to simply go ahead and tap on the My Friends button, and here you would actually be able to see a list of your best friends list on Snapchat. Now before we get to the point of how to remove best friends list on Snapchat, you want to understand how they were added to your best friends list in the first place. When you actually snap each other frequently on Snapchat, Snapchat's algorithm is actually going to automatically notice that, and as a result they are going to add those people to your best friends list. So in order to actually remove someone from your best friends list, you have to use a similar algorithm to your own advantage. That is to simply stop sending snaps to each other, and maybe after a few days or maybe after a couple of hours later, you would actually be able to see that and remove that person from your best friends list. That is simply the way to how to do it. However, let's say you don't have time for that and you simply want to remove that person off your best friends list. What you can do is, there are only a few workarounds this. That is to actually simply block that particular person. You can go ahead and tap on their profile and then tap on the profile and then tap on it, and then you could go ahead and chat settings and then block that person as well. Or else what you could do is also actually remove that friend. Once you remove that person as a friend, that person is going to be actually removed from a best friends list as well as your normal friends list on Snapchat. But you want to be simply aware of that, because that is also going to remove that person from the normal friends list as well. However, if you don't actually want this person to be on the best friends list, you can simply stop sending snaps to that person, and after a couple of days Snapchat is going to notice that and remove that person off your best friends list on Snapchat. This was the way on how you can get someone off your best friend list on Snapchat app. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And if you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.